welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. Today, I'm excited to share my completed junk journal with you. You might remember this journal. I actually shared a tutorial on how I made it a while ago. If you're curious about the process, you can check out the video by clicking the card up here or find the link in the description box. This journal is pretty big, and I love having at least one larger size journal in my collection. It's perfect for storing bigger memorabilia, like postcards, envelopes, or anything oversized that I want to keep. So let's flip through it together. Here's a page with this blue floral envelope, which is actually from my blue floral vintage linen printable. Inside, I took the matching memo card from the same printable. I love how delicate vintage linen prints look. You barely need any decoration, just a simple title sticker and some journaling, and it's done. This cute bear package is from a cookie shop that sells bear-shaped cookies. It was delicious and so adorable. I just had to include it. Here I kept some train tickets. I always love adding travel tickets to my journals. On this page, I added a paper crown along the right edge as a fun little detail. And this is a shopping bag from one of my favorite bakeries. I just cut out the front part and attached it here. This triangle-shaped page was so much fun to work with. I used the handkerchief from my vintage linen printable, folded it diagonally, and included it here. Here's another train ticket, and inside this envelope, I kept a plane ticket. I like matching them with envelopes from the same company, so the train ticket stays in the train company's envelope and the plane ticket in the airline's envelope. This envelope is from my October vintage linen printable, and inside I placed an oval-shaped memo card from the blue floral vintage linen printable. Here I added the packaging from my first ever Hobonichi techo. If you want to see how I use my Hobonichi, check out the video linked in the top right corner or find it in the description below. And on the right page, here's another paper crown from my favorite local bakery. This page is about a restaurant I visited in Paris. This is probably one of my favorite pages in this journal. I cut up an old t-shirt that I had to throw away, but kept the front design because I love it so much. It's such a great way to preserve memories. Here, I made a pocket out of my weekly diary packaging. And on the other side, that's the rest of the triangle page. This piece in the center is from a candy store shopping bag. It was a gift, and I love using gifts as memorabilia. They hold so much meaning. So that's my completed junk journal flip through. I hope this gave you some inspiration and ideas for how you can use your own journal with everyday memorabilia. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future junk journal videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!